Good morning, students. Welcome to your Mode 3 Maths class. Dear kids, hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Students, today we will memorize the spelling of 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. How many tens in 60? 6 tens in 60 and 0 ones. 6 tens and 0 ones. SIXTY 60. SIXTY 60. 60. 60. Now kids, write here the spelling of 60. 6 0 6 SIX 6 and TY 6 T 6 T 60 60 SIX. Students, touch with line your writing and write in box. 60 SIXTY 60. Read with me. SIXTY 60. SIXTY 60. Students, read 60 60. SIXTY 60. Now kids, it's your turn to memorize spelling of 60 and write it on your maths copy. Allah Hafiz.